In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this sphere, slices using a sphere, a delete pop, and then with expression calculations, create the copies. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment guide to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. I started with a master controller using 6 constant values and a button radio widget, running through a lag chop set to 1. For the pattern work, I have a series of pattern and shuffle chops to drive our data. The first pattern is a ramp ranging from 0 to 150, connected to a shuffle set to swap channels and samples. I have duplicates of this setup with different ranges, 0 to 75, 1 to 0.1, and 1 to 4, to control our slices, scale, and noise. Moving to the geometry, I used a sphere set to a grid type, referencing those constants for the rows and columns. For the uniform scale, I'm using a me.digits expression, so each layer scales automatically. This connects to a delete pop, keeping specific primitives based on a math expression tied to our shuffle values, which slices the sphere perfectly. Next, a convert pop set to line strips turns the whole mesh into a beautiful wireframe. Ran this into a noise pop for that kinetic movement, setting the amplitude to 0.05 and driving the translate 4D with an abs time.seconds expression. The noise period is also smartly driven by our shuffle data. All of this merges into a geometry comp. For the material, I used a PBR mat with metallic at 0.65 and roughness at 0.7. My render setup is my standard camera viewport and 3 soft shadow lights. I ran the render top through a bloom. Because of our procedural expressions, I just copied the geometry 5 times, and the math did the magic to generate these perfectly nested layers. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner, so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations, so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.